Hi guys, I'm Paul James and I'm the Global Head of Makeup for Kryolan, and today we had fun working with our brand new Velvet Vision 2 palette. This is Velvet 2 and I'm excited to be creating this beautiful sophisticated look for you. I start by applying eyeshadow primer over the eyelids. This increases durability of the application while enhancing the colour intensity. As a base colour, I've selected Dusky Plum from the new Velvet 2 collection. This is applied all over the lid and diffused out into the socket line. To frame the eyes, I then apply Dusky Plum underneath the bottom lash line for a subtle definition. Loading my brush with muted sienna, I then apply this colour to the outer corner of the eyelid and blend across, just over halfway, leaving the blended transition between the two shades. For additional smoky definition, Velvet Aubergine is buffed seamlessly under the outer corner of the bottom lash line and continued up into the outer socket line. This is applied with a Blue Master eyeshadow contour brush large. It is then blended out with eyeshadow blending brush. To add radiance to the look, the soft shimmer of Cool Truffle is loaded onto the outer corner of the eye, creating a beautiful ombre effect between the three shades. For a smoky, sophisticated detail, Midnight Bow is applied and softly blended into the outer corners. It is also applied halfway under the bottom lash line in a tapered effect. Then, taking a firm angle brush number 6 from the new Artist range, intensity is added close to the bottom and top lash lines, focusing on the outer corners, creating a soft and smoky eyeliner effect. Here, Champagne Glow is a stunning iridescent highlighter and applied under the brows onto the eyebrow bone. To highlight the inner corner of the eye, Amber Allure is concentrated into the very inner corners and blended down. This creates an instant brightening with the soft reflection. To complete the intensity of the eye makeup, Dramatic Volume Mascara is layered on the top lash line and outer corners of the bottom lash line. This look is timeless and elegant, the key factor being in the seamless transitions between all the colours used, made easy by the incredible formula of the Velvet Vision collection. Please let us know what you think about the look in the comments and also our 12 beautiful new shades. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.